Hello, happy new Monday. Let's see what we can do today. We will try to do all the possible quests, claim some adventures, and also try to figure out what's the best score for the adventure that we have available right now. So, first of all, let's check the weekly quests. Okay, we can see that we are at the start of the week and I haven't done much. I did one of the other adventures earlier and I got only 5 reward points. So we will start with the voting. As you know, when you mine shards, you get MC points and voting points. So for the voting quest, we will have to vote on each of the planets that we have available for voting and to claim the vote power five times per week. We will claim it only once today. So let's go to voting. We will claim the votes. Okay, claimed successfully, and we got 26,000 votes. Let's go to vote. So we have to vote on each of the planets. We'll start with Aiki. We'll choose one of the candidates and we'll give some voting points to the respective candidate. And click on vote. If you want to vote for two candidates, the amount of votes that you give to them will be splitted between the two. So we voted on Aiki. I'll go and vote on Neri. We'll choose, for example, Demetrius. We have here the vote power that we want to give. Click on vote. Wait for the confirmation. It's here. And we go to vote on Naran. And in here I'm gonna throw myself all the votes. Maybe at some point I will be in the top, who knows. Okay, voting was done successfully on Naran also. Now we go back to quests, weekly quest, and we can see that in the completed tab we have the 3 voting quests completed and one for claiming the vote power. Now we can see that we have a new quest here that involves claiming your daily bonus. How you can do that is just going to the user settings, scrolling down, and you have daily MC claim. So I'm just gonna click on claim. Confirmation appeared. We go back and we will see that we have one claim done. And for this we received 2 reward points. Let's go back to the completed quests and we can see that for voting on each of the planets we get 15 points, 15 reward points for each. Okay, now what other quests do we have here? We have the adventures. I did an adventure earlier, but I couldn't reach 350 points. So I think we are gonna complete this quest right now. Let's see. We'll go to adventures. Okay, so we have this adventure available that will expire in 14 hours and a half. The name is Space Quirks. The duration is 16 days. The total rewards is 5,000 reward points, and it has a cost of 14,500 MC points. So as you can see, I'm ready here with 24.6 thousand, so I can do the adventure and also claim my weekly rewards from last week. So let's see what's with this adventure. We have to score as much points as possible based on these bonuses that we can get from these options. So in this case, I see a combination of minions and tools. So what is with the best bonus? We have type explosive, which is meant for a tool. And let's see which tool do we have as explosive type. And it's the basic explosive, which it's populating also the bonus for NFT mining power or shard power, which is 1, gives us 34%, and proof of work equals 0, which gives us another 15%. So as we can see here, we have another good bonus for defense 24, which will give us 30%. Let's see if we have a minion with defense for 24. And I can see it right here in the center is this gold shined gray scientist. And as you can see, the bonus percentage populated. And let's see what else can we do here. I don't have a tool that will give 8 TLM mining power. I have a type Exo tool, which will be the Draxus Axe, but that's the bonus is not enough. As I can see here, we have Rarity Abundant that gives us 16 plus Race Human, and that's the basic avatar that Alien Worlds gives you when you join the game. So, avatar, male, human, and it's abundant. So, for this adventure, we have a total score of 418. Until now, people that joined have a total score of 10,395. And I will add to that 418. And we will just click on start. Because I checked before and I have no other options here to get a higher score. But at least I will have a score of more than 350, so I will complete that adventure quest. Start, approve, and we have the confirmation here. In this tab, we have the running adventures. So as you can see, tomorrow I will be able to claim this small one. That will give me only 17 reward points, but it's good enough. Every point is good to be claimed, and many others. The most prolific one will be this one. That will give me 859 points, but I will have to wait another 22 days for it to return. And in the claimable tab, I have the adventures that ended. And these two have ended last week, and I kept them to claim them right now so I can give you an example. And I hope with these two that I will get to level 11 in experience points. So let's claim them. The longest adventures will give you a maximum of 120 experience points. This one was not so long, so I guess I will not go to level 11 in this episode. Okay, we will claim the second one. And as you will notice here, the reward points will populate. Now I have 541 reward points. And I hope to get around 1000 until the end of the week, so I can claim a big amount of the prize pool. So let's go back to the quests. Weekly quests completed. As you can see, this one populated also, as I sent NFTs into one adventure and I scored above 350 in the score. And also we see that another quest was completed as I joined another adventure. Okay. Now what I want to do is take a look at this week. What happened today? The prize pool for this week is 18,148 TLM. The total reward points that were claimed this week is 31,000. We see that people have kept also some adventures to be claimed this week. My total reward points until now 541, and last week total reward points, which I think is the record until now, 176,000 reward points were claimed last week. And here you can see the current TLM per 100 reward points given with the current prize pool and current total reward points claimed by all the users. And here you can see a timing tells us when the week will end. What else do I have to do? It's to claim the rewards for the last week. And also, let's give a click to the sponsors. We had an adventure that was pretty expensive to enter. I couldn't do it, but I appreciate Planet Naran for sponsoring this adventure. Okay, so let's claim the last week rewards. We just click on rewards, and in here I have two options. I can see here that my reward is 100 TLM, and I have two options to claim that reward. If I claim using MC points, let's hit a refresh so we can see here the current number of MC points that I have. So it's exactly 10,000. If I claim with MC points, I will get 100 TLM. If I claim using TLM, I will get only half of 100, that will mean 50. So this option is good in one of those weeks that you don't have too much TLM to claim, and at the same time you don't want to spend your MC points, as you might want to use them for another adventure, maybe a longer one that will give you more reward points. Why not? So right now, because I want to claim all the 100 TLM, I will claim using MC points. Just click on the option and we should get a notification. Yes, claim successfully. And this will populate in our current TLM number here. Okie dokes. I can see that I have half a minute until I can mine, so I will keep you a little bit more here. In the home page, as you can see, all my actions were recorded as I just joined that Space Quirks adventure, and in here it shows the score, and I claimed 100 TLM. It shows 99. Okay, now we can mine. I use mission control for mining also. Okay, let's see. My mine was 01809, which is okay for my current build, which I can show you in Tool Tactician. So I mine with 3 Draxus Axe on Sandy Coastline. And here you can see also the values per mine, values per hour, the basic values, cooldown, and the pools, the rarity pools, which are based on the last week pools on average. So this is quite a useful tool that I use on a daily basis. I can modify my build here so I can test what I can get better with other tools if I have the possibility to get some better tools. So yeah, this is quite nice. Let's see if we have something in the news. In the news for Mission Control, we have this event where you can join by creating an idea of a game, a feature for Mission Control, a tool for that might help Alien Worlds or Mission Control into getting better, and you have the chance to win a total pool prize of 200,000 TLM, which will be split, if I remember correctly, into 20 prizes of 5,000 TLM for each, and another 100,000, the other 100,000 TLM left will be decided by the mission control team for the winners of that pool. The event will start on the 20th of December, and the entries time frame will end on the 15th of January, together with the votes given by the community. So we have this big news from Mission Control. We have some news from last week from IPF. Yeah, you can check Alien Worlds with their new great signature or signing. Yeah, they signed a contract with a famous writer. I see that Kevin J. Anderson was part of Star Wars, Dune, Sagas of the Seven Sons, and he helped on the writing of these big things in the sci-fi world. And he will try to create a lore for Alien Worlds that will help everybody to draw a baseline in their future creative projects around Alien Worlds. We have also news from alienw.com, but I see that there are not big changes since September. Anyway, this website is very useful because it gives you information about everything around the syndicates of the planets in Alien Worlds. Okie dokes. What else can I show you? You have the public tab also for people that don't want to join Mission Control, or they are just waiting for the trial period. Why they are waiting for the trial period? Because we need some history in Alien Worlds mining, so we can check the accounts of the new joiners to see if they are not doing anything against the TOS of Alien Worlds, like multi-accounting, botting, and so on. So they still get MC points for mining in Alien Worlds. They have to wait for 1 month, but they still have some options that they can use here. So they can check the tutorials that we have in Mission Control until now. They can check their membership status. Yeah, we have 3 of them. But when you're waiting for the trial period, you get only the member status and not the verified member, so you cannot join adventures quests and you cannot get TLM from the prize pool. Okay, they can use Tool Tactician and Mine Maximizer. I will explain you Mine Maximizer in another video. Also from here they can join our Discord server and they can ask us anything related to Mission Control or Alien Worlds. I guess that's all for now. It's a bit long, this video, so I guess we will end it here. Thank you for watching. Have a good week. Bye bye.